Gave my love to a shooting star. She moves too fast that I can't keep up. I'm chasing, I'm in love with a shooting star. She moves too fast, when she falls then I'll be waiting. Gave my love to a shooting star. She moves too fast that I can't keep up. I'm chasing, I'm in love with a shooting star. She moves too fast, when she falls then I'll be waiting.
What's up, guys? So I've gotten a lot of comments mainly on my wiring management. So I cleaned up my PC a little bit. This is what I got. May not be up to some of your standards. So I'm looking for suggestions. This is what I got. Mainly what I did was a lot of wire tying, cleaning up a little bit, trying to tuck as much as I could behind those slots. Yeah, there's the SATA cables, power cables. So yeah, here's a better view. Yeah, so this is what I got. Any suggestions or ways you guys have done it, I'd appreciate all the feedback. Leave it in the comment section below and I'll try to fix this up even more.